Hello friends, welcome to Natural Health and Beauty Tips YouTube channel. In this video, we will see about 11 natural face cleansers to make your skin glow naturally without using soap and face wash. You can try these natural cleansers easily available in your kitchen cabinet to make your skin glow naturally. Number 1. Milk. Milk is not just a calcium fortified drink for your bones, but it is also works wonders as a cleanser. The lactic acid in the milk works to remove the dead cells from the skin. Also, the milk proteins and fat moisturize the skin. Use only the whole fat milk and not the skimmed milk. To use this approach, pour a small amount of the whole fat milk into your palm and gently massage it onto your skin. You can also add 2 to 4 cups of milk to your bath to get head to toe nourishment and cleansing effect. Number 2. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is not only a good opinion for your breakfast, but it is also one of the best natural cleanser that you can find in your kitchen cabinet. To use oatmeal as a cleanser, grind 1/4 cup whole oats and store it in a airtight container. Whenever you want to use it, mix a little bit of the ground oats with water or oil to make a paste and then massage it into skin. After that, rinse with warm water and pat dry with a soft towel. You can also add mix wheat germ, cornmeal or rice powder to the oatmeal mix before cleansing your face. Number 3. Honey. Honey is full of antioxidants and it is also a rich moisturizer. Since it has antibacterial properties, it helps you to get rid of acne and soothe your skin at the same time. To use honey as a cleanser for your face, take half a teaspoon of raw honey and gently massage it into your skin. If you want to change the consistency, add a few drops of water before applying it onto your face. Wash it off with warm water and then pat dry. Your skin will become soft and heavy because it removes dirt without stripping off natural oils from your skin. Number 4. Lemon. If you have oily skin, then lemon is an excellent cleanser for your skin type. Lemon will also help you to get rid of tan. To use lemon for cleansing your face, all you need to do is combine lemon juice with a little bit of milk or yogurt and then apply it on your face. Wash your face after a couple of minutes, pat dry your face and then moisturize. Number 5. Cucumber. The mild and cooling effect of cucumber will transform your sensitive and dry skin into healthy and glowing skin. It also works well on acne-prone skin. To use cucumber as a face cleanser, simply cut thin slices of refrigerated cucumber and place it on areas affected by acne. Keep this for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash your face with warm water followed by cold water to get that healthy glow. Number 6. Sugar. Sugar is an excellent skincare ingredient easily available in your pantry. Sugar can gently exfoliate and cleanse your skin. All you need to do is combine sugar with a little amount of water or oil, then massage this mixture onto your face in circular motion and rinse with water. But make sure that you do this gently, or else if the process is too abrasive, it might irritate your skin. Number 7. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is used in a lot of beauty products since it has antifungal and antibacterial properties. Coconut oil works as a great skin cleanser. Warm some coconut oil on your palms and then smear it on your face, massaging in a circular motion. Now place a warm towel on your face for a minute and then wipe off the oil with a towel. Your skin will be supple and hydrated. Number 8. Rose water. Use rose water on your skin to leave it feeling fresh and hydrated. To use this approach, simply dab some rose water on a cotton ball and dab onto your face. It also reduces puffiness under the eyes if you use a cotton pad soaked in rose water over your tired eyes. Number 9. Watermelon. Watermelon is an excellent skin exfoliator. The malic acid in watermelon will work on your skin as an exfoliator and will help you to get rid of the tan. To use watermelon as a cleanser, simply rub in watermelon pulp on your face and wash it off after 20 minutes. Number 10. Pomegranate Juice. The anti-aging properties of pomegranate will delay fine lines and wrinkles on your skin. Also, it works to remove tan from your skin. To use this approach, mix pomegranate juice mixed with chilled milk to form a paste and scrub it onto your face for a couple of minutes. Wash with cold water and pat dry. Number 11. Apple cider vinegar. Raw apple cider vinegar can help minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apple cider vinegar works as a brilliant exfoliator and also heals breakouts quickly. To use apple cider vinegar as a facial cleanser, dilute 1 part of apple cider vinegar with 2 parts of water and apply it on your face with a cotton ball. Rinse with cool water followed by warm water. Once you have rinsed your face with both cold and warm water, you will no more have the pungent vinegar smell on your skin. But before using it as a face cleanser, try a patch test on your skin to ensure that it does not irritate your skin. Try these natural face cleansers and put your feedback in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe our channel and share it with our friends.